I'm never one to throw away a fabric scrap since pattern mixing patchwork designs are just so cool and fashionable. Best of all, they utilize all your little bits and pieces to make something brand new, and it saves you a trip to the fabric store. Very resourceful. There are different ways that you can piece different fabrics together, like cutting each panel of a pattern in a different fabric or stitching them together first to get yardage, almost like a quilt. But what I love to experiment with is actually using decorative stitches to elevate the look and bring two pieces of fabric together. My Designer Brilliance 80 has 550 built-in stitches, but for this application, I'm looking for a wider one. I love though how organized the stitches are for an easy selection. Simply finish and press the fabric edges that you want to bring together and carefully stitch. I especially love this for seams on a summer tank. No new fabric, just studio scraps, and ta-da, a brand new tank with special details.